Hi folks, this video is a little bit different. This is from the artist's garden. I'm going to take a little break from the camper restoration, and I just thought I would share this video for all the folks around here or anywhere who say that you cannot grow bunch grapes here in Florida. Well, I'm in Florida. And this is an old heirloom variety of bunch grape called Black Spanish. And this is with no treatment. You see it's got a little bit of botrytis there, but I'm not going to worry about that too much because it's already doing well enough. And very resistant to Pierce disease, as you can tell. I've had this particular one. This is actually a baby off of my original vine, and it's about 5 or 6 years old now. And I've got already gotten about a gallon of berries off of this and one other plant, and the original parent vine is a little slower to ripen because it grows in the shade a little bit more. So yeah, they don't even need full sun. They grow great from cuttings, and the berries, they have seeds in them, and they're a little bit tannic and sour, so they're probably better for winemaking. I made wine with that and blackberries. It was a little too sour for my taste, but it makes an outstanding grape jam. And if you can stand picking the seeds out, the raisins they make are amazingly good. So don't give up hope. You can grow grapes in Florida, and here's the proof. Thanks for watching, folks, and hope that helped.